There's no doubt but that our musical and singing traditions are reaching new audiences all the time. Every year people come from all over the world to attend the Fleadh. And recently I saw a film in the cinema called Song of Granite, which told the story of Seosamh O'Haney, Joe Heaney, one of the great sean-nós singers in our tradition. It's hard for me to imagine 30 years ago when I started out with Craig Fierce Reagan going to the cinema to see a film about the passing on of tradition from generation to generation. So certainly this music is reaching new audiences all the time. One of the songs Seosamh O'Haney sang was Peggy Miss Pather. We're going to hear it now from Arana Craig Fierce Reagan. Way live.
Oh, I know.